If your iPhone is stuck on recovery mode and you want it to be able to get it out of recovery mode without needing to plug it into an actual computer, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to get that resolved. Now, most of the time, your iPhone will show this symbol. It'll essentially show plug in your iPhone to a computer. And essentially, this is when your iPhone is corrupted or there's some kind of issue on your iPhone. However, we can always get out of this, and there are two different options to be able to get out of this. The first option is just using the physical buttons on your iPhone to do a force restart. To do that force restart, we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button. However, if this doesn't work for you or if there's other glitches, I'll show you also another option to be able to do this. So what we're going to do again is volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. You might see it say slide to power off, but you're just going to keep holding even it says slide to power off because we're going to wait for your iPhone screen to go black. And after you've done that, wait until you see an Apple logo. Now, this is your first option to get out of that recovery mode, but sometimes this might not work for you. And if it doesn't, that's no problem because I'm going to walk you through a second option that almost always works if this first one doesn't. So whenever this iPhone loads up again, we're going to do a different set of buttons that is not a force restart, but a force shutdown instead of that. So on here, we're going to instead, let me just unlock this real quick. We're going to press, similar to before, press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button. However, instead of waiting until that Apple logo to release my finger, I'm going to wait until my iPhone goes black, and then I'm going to do volume up and the side button. Because you'll be able to see it'll show the Apple logo, and then after a few seconds, it'll go completely black, and then I'll be able to release my fingers. Essentially, what you've done is a force shutdown. At this point, all you need to do is plug your iPhone into a charger for about 10 or 20 minutes, and then you'll press and hold that side or power button to restart it, and you should be out of recovery mode. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.